This channel is the biggest in the health niche, and one of its videos has received 20 million views. Can you guess how much this single video will earn from AdSense? Let me shock you, this video with 20 million views earned $67,000. Yes, $67,000 from just one video. Crazy, right? If we calculate the RPM, it comes to $3.35. I know, that's a bit low for the health niche, but maybe it was during the COVID time, so the RPM was down. But hold on, this is just the beginning. Here's another video with 1.8 million views, and it earned $13,197. That means this video had an RPM of $7.22. Amazing, right? And I'm not saying this myself. This is what the channel owners shared themselves. In fact, they revealed that the total earnings of their channel are $614,000 just from ad revenue. Insane, right? And their monthly earnings? Over $10,000 every single month. And in some months, they even hit $13,000. You might think that this channel is super old, and that's why it's earning so much. Nope. Let me show you another channel that's using a slightly different strategy and still getting millions of views. Take a look. This channel posted a video just 3 weeks ago, and it got 1.5 million views. Another video they uploaded 1 month ago already has over 2.7 million views. And in the last 30 days, they've got 3.8 million total views. That means they're easily making $25,000 per month. Even big YouTubers don't earn this much. Shocking, right? Here's another smaller channel, and even they're pulling in amazing views because they're consistently uploading videos, which translates to around $8,000 per month. So you see how these faceless channels are breaking all the rules and proving that you don't need a massive following or a famous face to rake in serious money. Ready to learn how you can achieve the same results? Let's go. First, you'll need to create a YouTube channel, which is super easy, so I won't waste your time explaining that. But here's the exciting part. If you want to start earning from YouTube from your very first video without waiting to hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, I've got you covered. In the description below, you'll find a unique link that will take you to a platform where you can buy pre-monetized YouTube accounts. This means no waiting for months to meet YouTube's monetization criteria. You can start earning from day one. And to sweeten the deal, I've also added a discount code in the description. Apply it to get 5% off. So check it out and start your journey today. Now, let's assume you've created your YouTube channel. The next step is to find ideas for your videos. I know many of you might be thinking, the health niche has too much competition, so videos won't get views. But you're wrong, my friend. Yes, I agree the competition can be high, but you just need to use the right strategy. Take a look at this channel. Their latest videos have received massive views within just a few days. The secret? Suspense-filled titles and clickable thumbnails. As soon as people see them, they can't resist clicking, and that signals YouTube to boost the video even more. So your task is to analyze all the videos on this channel and pick out some great topics. Then create videos on those topics. Of course, our scripts, titles, and video styles will be completely different because we can't just copy their content. All right, let's move on. Here's how you can take your video making process to the next level step by step. For example, take the title of one of this channel's videos and head to ChatGPT. Then copy the prompt from this video description and paste in ChatGPT. After this, replace your video topic. Also replace 95% with 98% or any other tweak you want. Then hit enter. As you'll see, ChatGPT will give you a detailed script in no time. If you find the script too short, give it another simple prompt like, "This script is not enough for a 6 to 8 minute video. Please make the script longer." ChatGPT will expand it for you, and the new version will likely be perfect for your video length. Once you get the script, review it carefully. If it looks great, save it in Google Docs for easy access. But here's an important tip. It's not necessary to only make videos on exercises. You can explore topics like fruits, diseases, or natural foods. They're all part of the health niche. For example, if I search best food on YouTube, I instantly get tons of video ideas. And the best part? These types of topics require less effort and still perform incredibly well. If you need even more ideas, repeat this same process. But don't just take ideas from one channel. Explore other similar channels, analyze their videos, and try to recreate content in your own unique way. Trust me, this is the easiest way to grow quickly on YouTube. Want more help? Ask ChatGPT something like, "I need more such video ideas which people would be curious to watch." ChatGPT will suggest tons of engaging video ideas for you to explore. One more thing, you already know that Deepseek AI is making waves on the internet and is being considered even more powerful than ChatGPT. So why not give it a try? It might simplify your tasks even better and help keep your content unique, all right? So don't miss out. So far, I've taught you how to write scripts and find video ideas. If you're finding this video helpful so far, don't forget to like it. The next step is voice generation and video creation. If you don't want to hire a video editor or a voiceover artist and wish to save money, you need to use an AI video generator like Fliki AI. Yes, Fliki AI is a tool that provides all the features you need, such as video generation, realistic voiceovers, background music, and more. I'll provide the link to Fliki AI in the description below, so you can sign up from there. The best part is, you can try it for free for a limited time. And if you decide to purchase it, make sure to use the discount code to get 10% off. But remember, to avail the discount, you must sign up using the link in the description. Alright, once you've signed up, you'll see a dashboard like this. Simply click on Script to Video, then copy your script and paste it here. After that, click Next. Now, select the aspect ratio as landscape. Under Customizations, choose Stock Media. If you want to use an AI avatar, you can select that too, and then hit Submit. Fliki will automatically add stock footage based on your script, but there are a few important things we need to do. First, you'll notice an automatic heading layer is added, but we don't need it, so I'll delete that. Now let's add a voiceover. Simply click on the voice icon. Here you'll find many ultra-realistic voices. Choose a perfect voice that suits your video. I'm going to use this female voice. I'll select this voice. Mark Apply to all scenes and hit Select. The voiceover is now applied to all the layers. Alright, next, let's add background music. Just click on the background audio layer, search for a related keyword, find a good audio track, select it, and add it. Alright guys, as I mentioned earlier, Fliki's workflow has undergone some changes, and now you'll notice that scenes appear longer than before. But the good news is that you no longer need to create separate scenes for each stock media. Now, you can add multiple stock media clips within a single scene. Let me show you how it's done. Simply click on the first scene, and at the bottom, you'll see 3 media layers that have been added automatically. We need more layers, so I'll delete 2 of them for now. Okay, now you'll notice that the total duration of scene 1 is 38 seconds, but we shouldn't keep any clip longer than 5 seconds. This means we'll need a total of 8 media layers. To do this, you can either click on Add Layer to add new media layers or duplicate existing ones. But before that, make sure to enable the timing feature. Alright, I've added a total of 8 layers. Now we need to adjust the timing for each layer. Start by selecting the first layer. Drag the anchor point towards the left until it is exactly 5 seconds long. Perfect! You can see it clearly displays the duration as 0 to 5 seconds. Similarly, set the next layer from 5 seconds to 10 seconds. Alright, I hope you're getting the hang of it. Repeat this process for all the remaining layers, setting them to 5-second intervals. Perfect! Now, all the layers are set to 5-second timings. After this, you'll need to add stock footage to each layer. Simply click on Auto Pick, and the AI will automatically select stock media for you. Sometimes, the auto pick feature might not work as expected. In that case, you can manually add the footage. Just make sure to read the script carefully and add stock media relevant to the content. For example, if the script talks about stress or sluggishness, copy those keywords, identify the layer where you want to replace the clip, click on Media, search using the keyword, select the video, and add it. Alright, now if you want to include an AI avatar in your video, you can do that with Fliki AI as well. Just select the first scene, then click on Avatar. Choose an avatar from the options available. I'll go with this female avatar because I think it's perfect. You can also choose to apply the avatar to all scenes by selecting Apply to all scenes and then hitting Select. Okay, the avatar layer has been added. After that, adjust the timing for the avatar layer as needed, and then click on Generate Avatar Video. In just a few seconds, the avatar will be generated. You can then set the timing for the avatar layer based on the duration you want. Alright, moving on to scene 2. In this scene, we're talking about squats, so we need to add only squat-related footage. Just like we did in scene 1, start by setting the timing of each layer to 5 seconds. After that, use the auto pick option to add stock media related to squats. Alright, for this scene, I also want to include some avatars at the beginning. So, I'll simply add an avatar layer here and match its timing with the rest of the layers. Alright, now let's add a heading to display the name of the first exercise. To do this, I'll add a text layer from the menu. On the right side, you'll see all the customization options for the heading. Here, you can set the placement of the text, change the font style, adjust the text color, add a shadow, set a background color, and even add a stroke to the text. You can also add animations to the heading and set the duration for how long it should appear on the screen. Alright, similarly, you can customize subtitles if needed. Okay, now I want the background to remain blurred as long as the avatar is visible. To achieve this, select the media layer, go to the Attributes panel, and enable the background blur option. Perfect! This looks much more professional now. To save time, I'll fast forward through the remaining steps and complete the entire process. Follow the same method to customize all the remaining scenes. It's a pretty simple process once you get the hang of it. I'm not showing the entire video creation here because honestly, it's a time-consuming task. Before exporting the video, make sure to play it once to check if everything is in place and working smoothly. If everything looks perfect, you can download the video from here. All right, now let's take a look at the final output.
Hey there, let me ask you something. How often do you feel like life's little problems are piling up? Maybe your back's been acting up, your shoulders feel like rocks, or you're just stuck in a cycle of stress and sluggishness. Here's the thing. What if I told you that 98% of these everyday issues could be tackled with just a few simple exercises? Let's kick things off with one of my personal favorites, the deep squat hold. Now, I know the word squat might make some of you cringe, but this isn't about lifting heavy weights or impressing anyone at the gym. The deep squat hold is about bringing your body back to its natural state.
Amazing! The video is long, so I will upload the full video to my Telegram. You can watch it from there. This is the easiest way to create a health video from scratch using Fliki AI. Now, let's talk about how to create a thumbnail. First, we need an image related to the video's title. I prefer using AI-generated images because they're unique and copyright-free. Just head over to ArtSpace. The link is in the description. Then, copy the prompt from my Telegram and paste it here. But make sure to replace the topic for each thumbnail. Otherwise, you'll get similar images every time. All right, after pasting the prompt, copy my settings, keep the aspect ratio as landscape, and hit enter. As you can see, the AI has generated an image. If you want a different one, just hit regenerate, and ArtSpace will generate new variations. And yes, I have the lifetime plan for ArtSpace, so I can generate unlimited images. That's how I got a high-quality image for the thumbnail. Now, I'll go to Canva, create a thumbnail, and paste the image. Then, I'll adjust the image properly and place the character on the left side. To fill the space, I'll make a copy of the character, crop it, and place it on the right side. Next, I'll add a clickbait-style heading, ensuring it's related to the title. Then, I'll change the color and use a bold font. That's it. The thumbnail is ready. Now, you can upload the video along with the thumbnail. You know, this video has already gotten quite long, so if you guys want a separate video on SEO, let me know in the comments. So in the last, I want to give you some advice. If you really want to be successful on YouTube, you have to keep pushing forward, no matter what niche you're in. Consistency is the key, guys. It's not just about uploading 1 or 2 videos and expecting results. It's about showing up regularly, learning from your analytics, improving your content, and staying patient. Growth takes time, but if you stay consistent and keep providing value, success will follow. All right, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. And hey, if you're still using the same boring avatars, stop doing that. Watch this video where I show you how to create a realistic AI avatar using just text.